Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math we're talking about identifying parts that make 10, and we're working on addition as well. So we're going to read this book today called Scaredy Cats, and then we're going to get 10 items. They're from our house, so here at school, and we're going to look at different ways that we can make 10. So first let's read this book called Scaredy Cats. The Scaredy Cats need to cross the river. They have 10 boxes they must deliver. You hear the rhyming words? River and deliver. Now there they are. Here's the Scaredy Cats. And it says Kitty Cat Delivery. And they have 10 boxes. They have to cross the river. The cats know they must balance their boat if they are going to stay afloat. And the little dialogue bubble says, speech bubble says, be brave, you can do it. So here's the drawing. They have to balance it to keep the boat afloat. First, they placed them at the back, but it did not work in one big stack. What happened? All of them on one side, is it balanced? No, they're about to fall in. They split the load into 8 and 2, but they didn't think this would do. Is this balanced? Remember our balance scale, or pan balance? If we had 2 on one side and 8 on the other, what would happen? Yeah, just like that. It would be just as unbalanced as that boat. 2 and 8. They changed the boxes another way, but it really didn't look okay. Now, boys and girls, how many's on this side? Can you supersize that? That's right, that is 3. So how many's over here? Can you supersize those? And we need to count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 and 3 make how many? 10. Remember, there's always 10 boxes. Not quite balanced. They moved one box, and it was almost steady. So they thought their boat was nearly ready. How many's on this side? 4, that's right. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. So 6 and 4 almost balanced, not quite. Oh, suddenly they gave a shout. The Scaredy Cats had figured it out. Now, how many's on this side? 5. Good. This side? 5. So 5 and 5 make 10. All right. Very good. Now, boys and girls, you can go ahead and pause the video and get 10 items. 10 items. You can get 10 coins, or 10 toys, or 10 boxes from your house, or 10 counting cubes. But we're going to go ahead and take a look at this activity here. This is a Scaredy Cats activity. And we're going to remember, and I'm going to look at the book here, and we're going to review the different ways that the Scaredy Cats made 10 and how they finally balanced, okay? Now, first, they were talking about it. They knew they needed to have balance on it, and they put how many on one side? First, they put 1, 2, kind of change up the color, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then finally 10. Now with your items there that you have, go ahead and make a stack or a group, if you can't stack them, of 10. Now, that's 10. Is that balanced? No. Remember, the boat was going way down on this side when it was so unbalanced. Okay? So there's 10 on this side and 0, so that's a total of 10. And how else did the Scaredy Cats make 10? Well, then they put 1 on this side. Is that still 10? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So go ahead and put 1 item on the other side, and that's still 10. And then what did they do? Still wasn't balanced. So then, this so we can see that a little bit better. And that one too. Then they went ahead and they put another one on this side. Okay? and go ahead and put another counting cube or whatever you have to work with, coins or whatnot, pencils. Put another one over here, and there's how many on this side now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10. Still 10. Okay, and then what do they do? The next page shows that they put yet another on this side. Boys and girls, is the total changing? Is the total amount changing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Still 10. The total is still 10. No matter how these different parts look, as long as we have the same amount, we still have a total of 10. We just have two different parts. Two different types of parts, really. All right, so last one, almost the last one. They put another one. Now, how many is that on this side? There's 4 and there's 6. So now, boys and girls, I'm going to write an addition sentence. 6 and 4 is the same as 10, and I'm going to put the plus sign in the middle, so 6 plus 4 equals 10. Kind of messy there on mine, but you get the idea. 6 plus 4 is messy 10, but it's there. All right, boys and girls, so then that wasn't quite balanced, right? So they needed to change something, and they finally did, and then they got this. Okay, now, boys and girls, how many is this total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's still 10, even though we moved these around. So now I need to change this addition sentence to reflect this, to show this. Is this correct now? No, it's not, because is there 6 over here? No, there's 5. And is there 4 over here? No, there's 5. So I need to erase these numbers, and then I'm going to put, how many was it? It was 5. And how many on this side? 5. All right. And then what do I need to change here? Do I need to, wait, I don't have to change that? Is it still 10? It is. It is. No matter how we arrange these two sides, it's totaling 10. So there's several different ways to make 10. So make sure that your two stacks now have 5 and 5 and they show 10. All right, boys and girls, thank you for working with me today as we identify parts that make 10. Have a great day.